following strategies tend to lose money in sideways market. Counter-trend strategies lose money in trending market. Is there any way to distinguish trending and sideways market? Watch this video for the answer. Welcome to Mini Traders. Most of successful traders are using trend following strategies. But as most of markets are sideways most of the time, we should have some tools to distinguish trending and sideways market. We can use trend following strategy while market is trending, and we can use counter trend strategy while market is sideways. Average Directional Movement Index, or ADX, is a proven indicator in this field, which can give us lots of advantages like finding trend, finding entry and exit, and so on. In this video, we are going to look at this indicator from different aspects, so you can use it in your trading system in the way you prefer. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on this video to get notified when I upload new videos. Okay, let's see what's ADX. Here you can see calculation of ADX and DMI, which is based on average true range, ATR, one of the popular tools for automated trading systems. In the book, I'll put the link in the description. What we are going to say in this video is more about application of it. You can reach ADX indicator inside your MetaTrader from Insert, Indicators, Trend, Average Directional Movement Index. You can bring it to your chart in Trading View by searching DMI in Indicators list and select Built-in Indicator. This indicator has three lines: DI plus, DI minus, and ADX. ADX shows the power of trend. When it rises, trend is getting stronger, and when it falls, trend is getting weaker, no matter which size is trend, up or down. Let's look at some examples. In this picture, a new uptrend has been started. ADX is rising. When the trend lost its power, ADX starts falling. Let's see another example. In this picture, a downtrend is starting. As you see, ADX is rising again to show us how strong is our trend. When the trend loses its power, ADX starts falling. The point is, no matter which trend is it in the market, when it becomes stronger, ADX starts rising, and when it weakens, ADX starts falling. For detecting trend direction, we should look at our DI plus and DI minus. When DI plus is over DI minus, we have uptrend, and when DI plus is below DI minus, we have downtrend. This is all about how this indicator works by itself. Let's see how we can use it. A simple strategy which is completely based on this indicator has these rules. Intent when two DIs crossed, while ADX is rising, and exit when a reverse cross happens and the ADX starts falling. Rules look simple, but as a conservative trader, we should consider some other necessary elements for a strategy like the stop loss. So we can combine ADX with other studies to get better results. For this, you should learn working with ADX. Here are some points about it. ADX direction is more important than its number. Rising ADX is showing a strong trend. You must any number line, for example, 25. ADX can show us when to use trend following strategy or a counter trend one. For example, when ADX is rising, maybe it's better not to use overbought and oversold indicator signal like RSI. Or when it's falling, we can ignore moving average crossovers. We can also use ADX to optimize our exit point. For example, one of the probable places for ending a trade is when ADX starts falling while it's above DI indicators. We also had a challenge between chasing the price to maximize profit or taking a small profit and get out of the market. ADX can help us again. When ADX is falling, it's better to take a small profit instead of letting our profit grow. It's an absolute advantage for a trader, isn't it? ADX is a great study, but like most of great things, it has some weaknesses. ADX usually changes its direction too late when we are trading in a market which trends change their direction in a spike or in a few candles. In these cases, it's better to use ADX with lower period. The next problem is its latency in showing a trend. Most of the time, when ADX starts rising, most of the indicators have signal the entrance. But we believe this is not a problem and will help you avoid false signals. Okay, now after learning how ADX works, you can combine it with other studies as a part of your strategy as a top up to previous videos, and we will go on in next videos. It can be used for finding trend, finding the entry, and finding the exit. This indicator can be used as a part of trend following strategy or a counter trend strategy. This video has come to its end. If you enjoyed, like it, and share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.